Back again with another great list. These are the 20 best fishing boats you can buy in 2025 without breaking $10,000. Number 20. Carolina Skiff JV 13 fishing boat. The Carolina Skiff JV 13 is priced at around $10,000, including a 20 horsepower outboard and a trailer. It is one of the few fiberglass fishing machines featured in our roundup. The Carolina Skiff is the only fiberglass boat you need to consider if you want the heft and looks of glass at this price point. This is a stripped boat, but it comes with a foredeck, a pedestal seat base with an 8-gallon live well built in, and 100% composite construction. Number 19. Gillgetter 7515 fishing pontoon boat. The Gillgetter 7515 is small and simple, but you can get a tiller steer model with a trailer and stay within budget, something we can't say for any other fishing pontoon boats. This boat can take a crew of 7 people aboard, carry up to 30 horses on the transom, and come with 2 swivel seats and a pair of rod holders. The Gillgetter is the best pontoon boat for fishing under $10,000. Number 18, Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 14 fishing kayak. We put the Hobie Mirage Pro Angler in our June 2017 hot new fishing gear article because we think it's one of the best fishing boats out there. We've spent some time fishing from this amazing little kayak and we're sure you will too. The seat is the best feature on this boat. It is comfortable enough to make a full day of fishing possible despite the boat's small stature. Number 17, Lowe Roughneck 1660 aluminum skiff. The Lowe Roughneck 1660 is the best fishing boat for under $10,000. It has a 99 horsepower outboard and a trailer, and it is available for just $82.66 a month. The sticker price is $8,750 with $500 down, which is undeniably affordable for a brand new fishing boat. The camo finish means this little machine can also be used as a hunting boat during waterfowl season. Tell me, is a 99 horsepower outboard really enough to push this sled? You can plan on planning and running at 16 to 18 miles per hour alone, and cruising at more like 15 or 16 miles per hour with another person aboard. 3 husky guys in gear can pull that down to 12 or 14 miles per hour. Here's the surprising news. You can upgrade to a 20 horsepower outboard and still stay well within the $10,000 limit. Number 16, Lund WC 16 aluminum skiff. The Lund WC 16 has bench seating, an aluminum hull, tiller steering, and no frills. It is about as simple a fishing boat as you'll find. The Lowe WC 16 is the obvious choice when the budget is tight. It starts at just $4,966. There's definitely enough space for a trailer and a 15 or 20 horse outboard. This model comfortably holds more people than most in the class, with a maximum capacity of 5. Number 15, Native Slayer Propel 13 fishing kayak. Kayak anglers know the name Slayer, and the Propel 13 is without a doubt one of their top pedal drive offerings. Native says that the Propel 13 can go 4.2 miles per hour all day and can push to 5.2 miles per hour when the thunderstorm rolls in. The pedal drive is an amazingly sweet perk. We found trolling from this rig an absolute pleasure, and the speeds quoted seem about right. The Propel 13 is priced at around $2,400, but you should plan to spend an additional $500 to $1,000 on rigging. You will almost certainly want to add items like mounting tracks, rod holders, and a fish finder. The Native Slayer Propel 13 is the best fishing kayak on the market. That's according to Outdoor Life, who ranked it at the top of their 2017 best fishing kayaks roundup. Zach Dittmers, the Fish Talk art director, agrees. Number 14, Eagle FishSkiff 16 inflatable. The Eagle FishSkiff 16 is the only inflatable boat in our roundup. It can carry 2 anglers and an outboard of up to 6 horsepower. You can also deflate it, roll it up, and stow it under the couch in your studio apartment or in the trunk of your Prius. This boat is lightweight, so it can plane out with a small outboard even when 2 people are aboard. It is also self-bailing. The sticker price is just over $3,600 for a 5-horse Honda. This is the least expensive option for a fishing boat that can carry multiple passengers as opposed to one-man craft, and the only one that you can stow virtually anywhere. Number 13, Skimmer Skiffs 14 feet 6 inches flats boat. The Skimmer Skiff 40-6 is the perfect fiberglass shallow water fishing machine with a mere 4 inches of draft. Pay just $8,750 for the rolled edge version with a 20-horse Tohatsu outboard and a trailer. Take the remaining $1,250 and choose options ranging from rod holders to fish boxes. We also love the all-composite construction, full-height transom, and easy-to-handle 275-pound displacement. You will need to budget for some essential features, such as a bilge pump and stainless steel cleats. However, Skimmer's unique custom outfitting ensures you won't pay for extras you don't need.
Number 12, Dolphin Pro 102 Mini Fish Boat.
When Angler-in-Chief Lenny Rudow wanted a new pond hopper, he chose the Dolphin Pro 102. We can confidently say that this boat is perfect for two anglers fishing in relatively protected waters based on our many days spent at the lake on this vessel. This 55-pound thrust 12-volt electric outboard can reach jogging speeds. It has a live well twin swivel seats, and the complete package, including a trailer and a pair of deep cycle batteries, is available for under $3,000. Don't bother with a trailer if you have a pickup. The truck bed will do just fine.
Number 11, Tracker Guide V16 Laker DLXT Aluminum Fishing Boat.
With a no-hassle, no-haggle price tag of $9,795, the Tracker Guide V16 comes complete with a 20-horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard engine and a trailer. While it may not be the most luxurious fishing vessel on the water, with an LOA of 16 feet, a beam of 6'2", an 8-degree transom dead rise, and a 0.10-inch 50-52 aluminum hull, this is one of the most capable and seaworthy fishing boats under $10,000.
Number 10, Carver Montego.
The Carver Montego line is an express cruiser design dating back to the mid-80s. These boats may be small, but they pack a big punch. They're equipped with all the features you'd expect from a big boat, like air conditioning, microwave ovens, and full camper top enclosures. The Montegos are stern-drive boats, and you'll see them with a wide range of power. Single engines, twins, Mercruisers, and Volvo Pentas. The 25-foot model is designed to maximize space below deck, with room for 4 people to sleep aboard.
Number 9, Proline Sports Center Console.
Proline built a large number of SportsCenter console fishing boats from 1980 through the mid-2000s. This means the used boat market is rich with choices under our maximum price, mostly in the 17 to 20 foot range. Some of these are even less than $10,000. We saw a 17-foot 1986 model with a 115 horsepower outboard and a trailer for $4,995, and a 2000 model for $7,499. You can't go wrong with either of these. They're both excellent deals on used boats. Most of these boats come with trailers, have bimini tops instead of T-tops, and carry outboards of varying makes and sizes. These are dedicated fishing boats, and even the oldest ones come with perks like live wells and electronics. There is one clear disadvantage. Most center consoles built today have a head compartment inside the console, but 20 feet was generally considered too small for this. You must go larger to get a head compartment on this vintage boat.
Number 8, 16 to 24 Sweetwater Pontoon Boats.
Lakeland boaters, listen up. You'll be thrilled to hear that there are loads of used pontoon boats under $10,000, and one of the best is the range of Sweetwater pontoons from 16 feet to 24. You'll find boat listings from the mid to late 90s, right up to pontoons from the last 3 or 4 years. It is difficult to be specific about what these boats come with due to the large number of secondhand listings. Some have trailers and some do not. Some have bimini tops and others are uncovered. And some have horsepower measured in the hundreds, while others have a mere 9.9 horsepower on the motor pod. Having a wide range of choices is all part of the fun when it's time to go boat shopping.
Number 7, Tracker Pro Team 170TX.
If you're looking for an aluminum bass boat, look no further than the used boat listings for the Tracker Pro Team 170TX. With models available from Texas to Florida to Kansas, there are plenty to choose from. These are mostly recent builds ranging from 1995 right up to 2015. Buy a used boat this new and have a modern 40 HP Mercury on your transom. It's a no-brainer. These boats left the factory with a custom match trailer, basic fishing electronics, and features like trolling motors, marine-grade carpet, and live wells.
Number 6, Sea Eagle 14SR.
Sea Eagle builds inflatable kayaks, fishing boats, and tenders, and their 14SR is an excellent option. There's no need for a trailer. When you're done boating for the day, just deflate the boat, roll it up, and stow it in the boot. This product has 5 air chambers, an aluminum bench sheet, oars, a carry bag, a patch kit, and a foot pump. The 14SR has an unusual perk, a patented inflatable drop stitch keel that assists in tracking and handling. Sea Eagle offers various boat packages. You can opt for a bare bones package for the lowest price or go for a complete package for $5,999. Whichever option you choose, you will still come out ahead.
Number 5. Bass Pro Shops Pond Prowler 8.
This is the cheapest boat you'll find. It's priced at $619.99. You should expect to spend around $300 on an electric trolling motor and a battery. For anglers who fish alone on small bodies of water, the Bass Pro Shops Pond Prowler 8 is the perfect solution. It has a swivel seat, recessed beverage and tackle holders, bow and stern motor mounts, and is pre-wired for electric motors. The polyethylene hull and deck material is virtually indestructible, and with a footprint just 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, you can slide this 100-pound fishing machine right into the back of a pickup truck.
Number 4. Gheenoe 16 Super.
The Gheenoe 16 Super is a unique vessel combining the functionality of a boat with the accessibility of a canoe. It boasts a canoe-like entry that widens into a spacious 4 foot 7 inches beam at the stern. It offers ample space for 2 people, and given that these boats are primarily used for fishing, the 16 Super is equipped with swiveling pedestal seats, rod holders, and an aerated live well. MSRP is $6,100, and a trailer adds another $2,525. This leaves some cash in the budget for an outboard, and the 16 Super can take up to 40 HP. This boat is unique in this roundup because it can be rigged with a console and steered with a wheel, not a tiller arm. Number 3. Hobie Mirage Compass Duo. The Hobie Mirage Compass Duo is sleek, with a beam of just under 3 feet, but its 13 foot 6 length is more than capable of handling bigger waters than you might imagine. It is powered by human power via Hobie's Mirage drive pedal and fin system. With 2 people pedaling, it can reach jogging speeds. This tandem kayak is the perfect choice for you, as it does not require a motor. The total cost of $3,999 is all you will need to spend. The Mirage Compass Duo comes with 4 tracks installed. Use these to add items like fishing rod holders or cup holders.
Number 2.
Lowe 1032 Jon. The Lowe 1032 Jon is the most affordable aluminum boat you'll ever find. It's true, it's very small. It measures just 10 feet 3 inches in length and 4 feet in beam. Its capacity is limited to 180 pounds, and its maximum power is a mere 3.5 horsepower. Price is undeniably affordable with an MSRP of just $1,089. Spend a few $100s for an electric motor, or closer to $1,000 for a miniature gas motor, and you can afford to buy an entire fleet without breaking our price ceiling. Wait a sec, what about a trailer? Why bother with one? The 1032 is a lightweight at 80 pounds, making it simple to load into the back of a pickup or on top of a car's roof rack.
Number 1. Lund 1648 Jon Boat.
Boat builder Lund is synonymous with aluminum boats of all shapes and sizes. While they have smaller, more affordable boats, their 1648 Jon is well over $4,000 and offers exceptional value for money. Add a trailer and a 20-horse outboard and you'll still be well under $10K while enjoying a roomy 15.9 Jon Boat with 2 bench seats and enough power to cruise at over 20 miles per hour even with a couple of people aboard. Its flat bottom design ensures stability, and its light 275-pound weight makes it perfect for use on small bodies of water with an electric motor.